carefully you see what exactly we have done. So we have done two things. We have downloaded our am I audible? So once you have downloaded the data file, which is nothing but the X-ray crystallographic data that last day we have seen it, what exactly it is, and then we will be having the software and we will load it. One of your colleague has already loaded it. Now whenever we click on a software, there are two things they'll come. One, there will be a GUI, a graphical user interface. Now this is the GUI, the black one. Can you able to see? So we'll close it and we'll open it. Now along with the GUI, one more thing is opened, a small window. Now it is the command line and we call it command prompt. By using commands also we can able to run it, okay? And these are Python scripts that you have to enter. So what I'll do is I'll file, open. Once again please see, we'll do file, then open, okay? Now what exactly we are going to open? It was from the other course. Your course is desktop, then in desktop it will be SHRM. In SHRM we are having the data already loaded, right? 2IAD, we will click on it and open. Everybody, now I want to take that all of you take a screenshot, okay? One girl has already taken a screenshot, nicely done. Just and once you are having it, okay, you take a screenshot. Now this structure, as you can see, okay, this is nothing but the primary structure of the MC molecule, okay? Primary structure means all the amino acids are kept in a chain, okay? Okay, and you know how the chains are made. These are made up of peptide bonds, okay, one after the another. Now you can display only the backbone. Now if you see the backbone is only the peptide bond, okay? For seeing it, what you have to do, you have to go to display, then click on backbone, okay? Display backbone, okay? Now if you click on display and see the backbone, now what exactly you are seeing? So I'll give you this thing, discussion on it. Just hold on. Now what exactly is a backbone? Now why it is important? So what I want you to do, you see, okay. Now first of all you will have a wireframe like this. It is nothing but the primary structure of the protein, okay. So you make it here, and then you only select this, okay, then cut, and then back again, paste. Now what is the molecule? The molecule is MHC2. MHC2, the PDB ID you write, okay. Now we shall mention it down, or we will mention it here itself. It is nothing but the primary structure in space, okay. Primary structure in space, okay. It is not in a solvent, it is on a space, okay. Vacuum, okay. Now second picture, the second shot is what? The second shot is the backbone, okay. Again print screen, we'll go here, yeah, and then copy. Why exactly we need a backbone? I will come to that. Cut, then back, paste, okay. Now why backbone? Now backbone gives you the idea of its domains, okay. Backbone, okay. Now this backbone can be drawn in a simple form like this, okay. Now here you see, I think I have shown you this. Have I shown you the formation of the peptide bond? Yes or no? Have I shown you the formation of the peptide bond? Write down yes or no, I forgot. Have I shown you the formation of peptide bond or not? Where are the rest of the students? Just 1 second.